Hello everyone, welcome to this webinar. Today we are going to discuss one new enhancement related feature, that is automatic payment reminder in Busy. So in Busy Agent, our tech team has developed this feature called payment reminder. Earlier the Busy Agent, we are using this for the backup purpose. So in this Busy Agent itself, now we are having this payment reminder provision. So let us discuss in detail how it is work. Thank you so much joining this webinar session. Let us begin. What is Busy Agent? So most of them are using Busy Agent in Busy. So generally this Busy Agent utility, it's a utility used for the backup purpose, that you can store your backup in your Google Drive, or else you can store that into the local drive also. Some other feature like either you can store the backup in local drive or the Google Drive, then dongle server. The another advantage of Busy Agent is dongle server, where you can connect multiple computers through your LAN mode, local area network mode. If you are a SQL database user, so in a server system, if you are registered the license, then client system, if sometime you are not getting the license, so that point of time you has to install this Busy Agent, then you can able to run this dongle server. If the dongle server is turned on, then only you can capable to connect multiple computers in the LAN mode. The another advantage of Busy Agent is incremental synchronization. If you are a mobile app subscriber, where you can sync your data from computer, that is desktop, to your mobile phone directly. So now we made the provision to send the payment reminder directly from your Busy to the customer point. So now earlier we have a manual reminder sending provision. In that you have to send the payment reminders manually one by one, but now currently we made the system like this. You just set the reminder when you want to send, daily, weekly, fortnight, something like that. So that point of time, if you kept some timer also, then that time the reminder will be sent on the customer mail ID. Currently we have only one provision, that is mail sending provision. BNS WhatsApp is not available now, but maybe it might be available soon. So Busy Agent, what's new? So in this Busy Agent, so earlier days, the some challenges the customers are facing, that previously we had a manual send reminders to parties using Busy software, which involved a lot of time consuming manual work. That's true. So before that, we need to send it by manually, right? But currently we have a solution in Busy Agent 3.5 onwards, but it is not officially launched by our side. As soon as possible, it will be available for you to download. So then after, you can install the 3.5 release of Busy Agent, and you can do the certain necessary settings in that. Then you can able to send the reminder to your customers. So now we will see how it is work and how to do these configurations in Busy Agent. First, I can open Busy company here. The company name is Busy Infotech Private Limited. One important thing you want to do here, Busy software, that is you has to enable the bill by bill details. If you are not using bill by bill details, only the balance amount to be sent to the customers. So this much balance amount you have to pay. That information will be sent to the customer mail, but you can't able to send this bill details as well as the due bill details. For that reason, you have to enable the bill by bill details feature in our accounting tab. Another feature is credit limit. This one also you have to enable. So then only we can able to allocate the credit days for the customers. So these are the two important features. Very first you have to enable these features. Then after, the party accounts, in which party account the credit days is needed, you just open that party name. In that party name, you can mention this credit days, 40 days, 50 days, whatever the credit days for that party is needed, you can specify here. Also, you can enable the bill by bill balancing feature. So this is required to send the due bill and pending bills related information to them. Otherwise, you can't able to send pending bill, due bill information. So this is the very important setup we have to do in our Busy software. Then after the installation of Busy Agent 3.5, we can get this type of icon in our Busy desktop screen. We just have to double click on that to run this Busy Agent. If it is already running in your taskbar, task manager or something like that, you just have to check here. So if it is not running, you just have to double click here. So now it is started. So we has to specify the data directory of our company, that you come to know that in Busy. So in Busy, after closing the software, here you have option data directory, set data directory, copy the path of the data, then you specify it here. So this should be the data directory of your company. If you are a MS Access database user, you just have to select MS Access. If you are a SQL Server database user, then you should select SQL, then specify the server name. and the user ID password by here. All right, this is SQL Server information. But if you are a MS Access database user, you just have to specify the data directory. Now, currently, you can able to send email only, not for DNS. To send the email to the customers, you just have to configure this specific configuration, email configuration. Here you need to specify the mail ID of your company and specify the SMTP server just like smtp.gmail.com, and the port number is 465. It is automatically comes up, and the username you can define here in which mail ID. There's a sender mail ID that you are using. That mail ID you can specify, and the password. Password is not your email password. This password is different. It's an app password. The app password to be generated in your Google account. You just have to be logged in your Google account, Gmail account. Then in right side you can get this 9 tabs, and then you can select this account option. So in this account option, you can search the keyword app password. You can get like this app password. Select the app password and specify the user password of your Gmail account. Then you can create one password for the Busy. Specify the app name Busy. Then you create it. Here you will be getting one password. This is the password. You can copy that password and paste it by Busy Agent. So password means it's not a Gmail account password. It is app password that we need to create it in our Gmail account. So after specify the password, you just check the settings whether it is working or not. If everything is okay, then email will be sent successfully. Message you can get. If anything it might be wrong, then you should get some error message. So this mail ID belongs to the company mail ID. That means sender mail ID. After configuring this, you just have to be save it. Then come to the payment reminder option. So here in Busy Agent, we have a local backup configuration provision, Google Drive backup configuration provision, dongle server configuration. If you are using multiple computers in a network mode in SQL, you just have to be enable this dongle server. Then only license will be get connected by both the computers or both Busy softwares, server and client. If it is turned off, then you can't able to connect it. And incremental sync is also available. Now one more button has been given here, that is payment reminder. This is the new enhancement. So to do the configuration of payment reminder, you just have to be click it. Then after you are getting all the data files created in this data directory. There are 5 companies are created by myself. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All the companies get visible. Now this payment reminder settings, this settings you can do by each company wise. Suppose these settings you needed for this this company, you can select only one company. Otherwise you need multiple companies, means you just have to be select here multiple companies. So as your wish, you can do the configuration and you can enable these things. Once you click on this checkbox, after that this window will appear. Here it is asking you to select the account. If you needed only one specific account, you can have an option to select it. Or if you need group of account, you can select the group name creditor or debitor or any other groups, customers or something like that. You can select the relevant group and you can do the settings. This is the required group selection. Even we have all accounts. If we selected all accounts, means how many ledgers or how many accounts are created in our company, all the accounts has been selected. But here all the accounts means only creditors, debitors, only creditors, debitors and their subgroups. If we created customers group under the group of sundry debitors, that also selected, but it never considered as bank accounts, expenses, incomes. That all accounts not considered here. Only creditors, debitors accounts to be considered. So this is all accounts option. And if again some more options is also provided here, that is selected accounts. If you need all accounts, then you can able to get this list. In that list, you can able to select the relevant accounts. In which account that you want to send the reminder, that account you can select it by manually. Otherwise, you have an option to select it by group, debitors, creditors, whatever that is. That group name you can select it in the drop down. So if anybody they're asking that, sir, I need multiple groups to be selected, what can I do? So for that also we have a provision here, selected groups. Selected groups you can select and you can tick on this all account group. You are getting all the account group by here. In that you can search the group sundry debitors or any other groups customers or any other groups customer group 2, etc. If you need some sundry debitor and sundry creditor, whatever the group that you needed, you should able to select that relevant group by the list, then you can save it. Now only that group of customer can receive the payment reminder. So this configuration is given by one company, or else you can do it by multiple company also. Currently I am selected only one company, so that is why it is configured for one company. But same time, if I selected multi-company, then if I want to do that, then it is affected for both the companies. All right. So this is how you has to do the configuration. Then after another next step is select the option to schedule the reminder. That is daily, weekly, fortnightly, and monthly. How you want to send the reminder, that you can decide. First, daily, if you want to send, in which time that you want to send. For example, here I can mention 3:25. This will be the timing, means the same time automatically BC agent can send the reminder. Okay, so this is daily. And same way the weekly also available. If suppose Sunday is holiday, no need to send it. Monday, Tuesday, the Friday, whatever the days that you needed, you can choose in the box. Then after you can specify the timing. So on what time that you want to send. And fortnightly means every 15 days you can able to send the reminder. First half you can mention 15 days, second half you can mention 30 days. First reminder will be sent to 15 days and second reminder will be 30 days. That is called fortnightly. Even we have a monthly also. In which month do you want to send the reminder? That month you can specify, first month, second month, third month, fourth month, whatever the month that you needed. Specify the month, specify the date of the month, not a month, date of the month. If you want to send the reminder for 8th of August, today, this month is August, 8th of August, you can mention 8th. If you want to send 29th of August, mention here 29th. So that day, automatically, the reminder will be sent to the customer Gmail ID. So these are the settings given by the Busy agent. So as per your needs, as per your requirement, we should able to configure it. Apart from this, we have provided there is 3 types of sending options. One is balance only. Just the balance amount will be sent to the mail ID, mail account, only the balance information. And pending bills, it's nothing but, for example, there are 3 bills. 2 bills are due, 1 bills are not due. The 2 bills are already due. 1 bill it's not due. Again remains 12 days remains. But also all the 3 bills has to be sent on their mail. All the 3 bill informations to be sent out. But in due bill, what happened? Only the 2 bills are sent to their mail ID. Only the 2 bills, because 2 bills has been due actually. 2 bill has due. That is the reason only 2 bill has been sent to their mail account. So this is how the settings has been provided. And after that, you can read this notification, read this message. Company or accounts in which bill by bill option is disabled, only pending amount will be sent for a reminder. If bill by bill feature is disabled, then only pending amount to be sent to them. Okay. So these are the settings. Now what I can do, I can save this configuration. After this, here you will be getting one more button, that is send payment reminder. If you wish to send the payment reminder, you just have to click it by manually. Then you can send the reminder anyway, anytime that you need it. So instead of auto reminder, you have the option to send it by manually. To send the reminder manually, you just have to be click here. Now Busy agent can send the reminder by manually. This is not auto, this is manual method. Okay, now you can see the message is coming here, sending payment reminder from Busy Infotech company to the account of SRS Supermart. Okay, so this is the way that you can send the reminder. Now in my Busy software, let me show you few things. For example, one customer, Ram Traders, he having due bills. So let us see how to send the message and how the content will be goes to the customer mail ID. We will see now. So party account is Ram Traders. Let me open their ledger. Here you can see there will be 3 bills, right? There will be 3 bills. So here we will see that outstanding analysis, bill receivable report. One account, let me select one account and I can see the report like this. Okay. Currently there is 2 bill are due, but totally 3 bills. In that 2 bill are due. We will send the notifications to them. In Party Master also, you should ensure that whether the mail ID is available or not. If the mail ID is not available, then mail will can't go. You have to mention the mail ID here. Now currently the mail ID is available. It's my mail ID only. So what I can do, I can go to this Busy agent in this Busy agent. So let me go to the payment reminder setting. Here, instead of selecting all accounts, let me select only one account to show the scenario, Ram Traders. So let me save it. Currently, I am sending the payment reminder manually. You can see here, manually I sent it. Now the payment reminder has been sent. This payment reminder I sent for the due bills. I have selected here due bills. Let me open my mail account and let me show you how the content is appear. The message will be go like this. Hi, as of 29/8/2024, there remains an outstanding balance of rupees 6160 payable to us for due bills. The detailed information regarding these due bills has been provided for your review. Kindly arrange for the settlement of this amount at your earliest convenience. Thank you for your prompt attention to this matter. Should you have any questions or require further clarification, please do hesitate to contact us. Best regards. That's your company name, Busy Infotech Private Limited, and this is your mobile number. And this company name and mobile number will be fetched from this company information. So you are given this name into the company, right? So that name should be considered your footer, that is company name. And similarly for mobile number, the mobile number will be carried from here. This is the mobile number information. If you mention the correct mobile number or telephone number here, that should be printed on that mail. Similarly, you can see the attachment as well. This will be the attachment. Attachment will be like this. There is only 2 bills are due. The due days also coming here. Actual due date was May 11th. Now currently today it was 110 due days. That information is also printed out. So now I sent this email for the due bills. Now let us see how it is worked for the pending bills. Now if I configured as pending bills, then how the content will goes, that we will see now. For that you need to go to payment reminder. You should select the pending bills over there. Here the pending bills, then you save it. Again I can send this payment reminder once again. So currently I am not showing you the automatic reminder. I'm sending the reminder by manually. So now I sent the reminder. Again I have received one more mail. Let me open that mail. Just now I have received. This will be the mail content. Hi, as of 29/8/2024, there remains an outstanding balance of 17,360 payable to us for pending bills. The detailed information regarding these pending bills has been provided for your review. Kindly arrange for the settlement of this amount at your earliest convenience. Thank you for your prompt attention to this matter. Should you have any questions or require any further clarification, please do not hesitate to contact us. The pending bill related payment reminder having this type of attachment, in that all the 3 bill has been printed. You can see the first 2 bill, these bills are due, and the third one was not due yet. Currently the third bill was only the remaining days due days was 12 days. After 12 days only this bill will be can get due. Now but also pending bills means all the bills to be sent to them. So this is the pending bills. Now let us discuss how balance only will send. That we will discuss now. So again I go to the payment reminder. Here I can select the balance only payment reminder, then I save it. Then after I can send the reminder. So reminder has been sent. Let us come to the software email account. So the mail I was received like this. Hi, 29/8/2024, there remains an outstanding balance of rupees 17,360 payable to us. Kindly arrange for settlement of this amount at your earliest convenience. Thank you for your prompt attention to this matter. Should you have any questions or require further clarification, please do not hesitate to contact us. Best regards, Busy Infotech Private Limited, and mobile number. Here there is no any attachment has been given. This is only contains the mail only. Balance only format, it contains only mail, no any attachments. If anybody asking, sir, is it possible to change this content? No, this content is fixed by the coding. Backend only we fixed that. We never change this content by ourselves. No. So this is how the payment reminder will send. So now we will discuss some FAQs also here. Some of the FAQs related to this auto payment reminder. Is the payment reminder linked to BLS? Yes. It won't work in demo mode or if BLS has expired. It won't work in demo mode or if BLS has expired. Is this feature available with all Busy models? Yes, for all Busy models, this Busy agent as well as payment reminder is available. Which methods can we use to send the reminders through Busy agent? Currently, we can send reminder through email. Only email we can send it. Does the auto payment reminder also works in Busy Online? Currently, it is only available with Busy Desktop, not for Busy Online. Currently, it is only work for Busy Desktop. Can we set the frequency for payment reminders? Yes, we can set daily, weekly, fortnightly, monthly frequencies for our payment reminders. If the bill by bill feature is not enabled, can we send reminders? Yes, in that case, only the balances will be sent. We will see this scenario by practically also. So I can open one specific ledger KK stores. This party, you can see the bill by bill balancing is disabled. Let me put my email ID that ledger. So let me add my mail ID, then I save it. And after I can go to the BC agent. Here I can go to the payment reminder. Then I can select the account, only one account, that is KK stores. Select the account and here you can see. So let me try to send the due bills. Is it possible or not? We can see very first. Then after we come to the balance only. So here I can select it, due bills. Now let me send the reminder. Now the reminder is going on to the KK stores. Now the reminder has been sent. Let me go to the mailbox and I check the reminder. The reminder will be like this. Hi, as 29/8/24, there remains outstanding balance is rupees 1120. So payable to us. Kindly arrange for the settlement of this amount at your earliest convenience. Thank you for your prompt attention to this matter. Should you have any questions or require further clarification, please do not hesitate to contact us. So if I selected due bill, then also this much information is going because we never enabled the bill by bill information to their party account. This is why this much is going on. So let me try some other way. So here I can select balance only and then see how it is going on. The message how it is going. So balance only let me select and I can send the reminder. If the bill by bill balance is not enabled for the party account, then only the balance amount to be sent to them. So again I received the mail. The same content here also going. Here you can see, hi, as of 29/8/2024, there remains an outstanding balance of 1120 payable to us. Kindly arrange the settlement of this amount at your earliest convenience. So earlier I sent due bills, now I sent balance only reminder, but the same content is going here. All right. But the reminder will goes. If the bill by bill and disabled, then the reminder will goes, but you can't able to send the due bill. The next FAQ question is, can we configure email body text and format for auto payment reminder? No, user cannot configure it on their end. It's fixed by the backend. So we can't able to configure it. Can we set payment reminder from multiple companies in Busy Agent? Yes, we can send payment reminders to all the companies listed in the specified data path. So specified data path, how many companies that you have created, all the companies you can select and send the reminder. If you have multiple firms, is it possible to send the reminders to group of accounts other than debitors and creditors? Yes, in that case, either specify the group or select specify groups. This one I can tell you. So we have option here, specified group, right? Select here and you can select the group. Here you can select as sundry debitors, sundry creditors, whatever the group that you needed, you can pick by the list. Even you can send some loan also. If you are given loan to someone, then you have said that monthly you have to pay this much amount EMI. So in that scenario, you can send the payment reminder easily using this provision. For that purpose, you have to select here loan. Okay, if you want to send loan or advances, you can select as loan and advances, then you save it. Then even you can send some other group also. Apart from creditors and debitors, you can send some other group also, right? So this is how you can select and tag the groups. For the loan means, assume that when you give some amount to someone, right, as loan, here you can enter the voucher like this. Create one ledger account, Avinash. It's a loan and advance. Just save it. Enable the bill by bill balancing. You can, if you want, you can mention the credit days as well. Avinash has received 1 lakh rupees loan. In Busy, we have a splitting option. If they got the loan for 12 months of duration, then you can specify the month here. Then Busy can automatically split the values. Each month, how much amount they have to pay. 8,333. This will be the every month EMI. For example, every month they have to pay this much amount. Likewise, you can create the references and due bills also. Due date also you can see. These are the due dates. April month they have to pay this much amount. May month they have to pay this much amount. June month they have to pay this much amount. So on the basis of voucher entry, voucher date, the due date has generated automatically because I was entered this payment voucher on the date of 1st of April. That is why it is considered as 1st April onwards. Due date should be considered as 1st of April. So then after you can save this voucher. The payment you have given from the bank, you should select the bank ledger. If you need this type of, if you want to send the reminder for this type of loan management or advance management related, then you should use this type of settings. Payment reminder, you can select the specific group called loan and advances. Earlier I shown you, you can select the group like this, loan and advances. You can select and you save it. Okay, then you can send the reminder. So this is how you can do this configuration. So now the next FAQ is, if we select all accounts, which accounts will receive the reminder? Debit balance of accounts in their Sunday debitor or creditor. Only debit balances to be considered, not credit balances. Okay. If an account has a zero balance, will it still send the reminder? No. If the balance is zero, we can't send the reminder. Only if any balance value more than 1 rupees, then only the reminder will send. Is the company's username and password required to set up payment reminder? No. So company username, Busy username, nothing is required here. Only you have to install the Busy agent and specify the relevant party groups and select the company and specify the timer. That is enough. So this is all about new enhancement of Busy agent 3.5. If you have any further questions or any kind of doubts related to this Busy agent 3.5 release, you just has to call to our 24/7 help desk number provided in the screen, 828282 Also, you can write a mail to us if you have any such feedbacks, support@busy.in, or else you can write a mail to us, feedback@busy.in. This is all about my side. Thank you.